Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. A customer's backup process exceeds their given backup windows. You propose to modify the backup process, but the customer is concerned about changing it from a full to an incremental architecture because of operational overhead during restore. Operations. What should you propose instead? Option A. Implement snapshots. Option B. Implement a differential backup scheme. Option C. Enable archiving. Option D. Lower the daily change rate of the data. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Implement snapshots. Question 2. A customer has HPE3 all-flash storage for their virtualized applications running on VMware and needs a cost-effective flat backup solution for this environment. The solution must provide fast recovery and be simple to manage with minimal performance impact on a application. What should you recommend? Option A. HPE Store Ever with HPE Data Protector. Option B. HPE Store Ever with HPE Recovery Manager Central. Option C. HPE Store One Systems with HPE Data Protector. Option D. HPE Store One Systems with HPE Recovery Manager Central. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. HPE Store Ever with HPE Recovery Manager Central. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.